By far, the most iconic, recognizable, and desired watch of all times. The Royal Oak by Audemars Piguet. In the early 1970s, Audemars Piguet sought to introduce a luxury steel sports watch that would challenge traditional perceptions of fine watchmaking. Gerald Genta, an exceptionally talented and visionary watch designer, was commissioned to create a timepiece that would embody the brand's innovative spirit and commitment to excellence. Genta drew inspiration from the maritime industry, incorporating distinctive design elements such as the octagonal bezel, exposed screws, and an integrated bracelet. These bold and unconventional features set the Royal Oak apart, defying conventional norms and establishing a new archetype for luxury sports watches. When the Royal Oak was unveiled at Basel World Fair in 1972, its avant-garde design and unprecedented use of stainless steel in a high-end watch caused a sensation. The timepiece's boldness and sophistication challenged the prevailing conventions of luxury watch design, earning it both admiration and controversy. Over time, the Royal Oak's unique aesthetic and exceptional craftsmanship garnered widespread acclaim, propelling it to become one of the most iconic and sought-after timepieces in the horological world. Gerald Genta's design for the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak not only revolutionized the concepts of luxury sports watches, but also cemented his legacy as a pioneering figure in watch design. His innovative approach and fearless creativity continue to inspire and influence the boundaries of high horology. The Royal Oak's enduring appeal and timeless design have solidified its status as an emblem of Audemars Piguet heritage and a symbol of horological excellence. Today, the Royal Oak remains a cornerstone of the brand's collection, and Gerald Genta's legacy lives on through this groundbreaking timepiece. Today, we have the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak 15400 ST. It has a silver dial that exudes luxury, style, and exceptional craftsmanship. The Royal Oak is a masterpiece of design, characterized by its iconic octagonal bezel with exposed screws, integrated bezel, and grand tapisserie pattern on the dial. The 41mm stainless steel case strikes a perfect balance between elegance and sportiness, making it suitable for various occasions. The silver grand tapisserie dial provides a captivating visual texture, complemented by the signature octagonal bezel, and the luminous hour markers and hands offers excellent legibility in any lighting condition. Even though 41mm sounds like a reasonable size, because of the integrated bracelet, this watch wears way bigger. Powering the Royal Oak is the renowned Audemars Piguet Caliber 3120, an in-house automatic movement with a 60-hour power reserve. The movement features meticulous craftsmanship and exhibits exceptional accuracy, reliability, and durability. The exhibition caseback allows the wearer to admire the intricate details of the movement, showcasing the artistry and innovation synonymous with Audemars Piguet. The Swiss house is celebrated for its exceptional craftsmanship, and the Royal Oak is no exception. The watch showcases impeccable attention to detail, from the hand-finished beveling on the bridges to the polished angles of the case and bracelet. The seamless integration of the bracelet with the case and the intricately designed clasps exemplify the brand's commitment to excellence in both form and function. The silver dial effortlessly transitions from formal to casual settings, making it a versatile companion for any occasion. Whether paired with a tailored suit or a more relaxed ensemble, the watch elevates the wearer's style with its distinct blend of sophistication and sportiness. With its rich heritage and timeless design, the Royal Oak collection holds a revered status in the horology world. The 15400 ST pays homage to the original 1972 Royal Oak designed by Gerald Genta, and its enduring appeal continues to captivate watch enthusiasts and collectors alike. Overall, the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak, with the silver dial, exemplifies the epitome of luxury watchmaking, blending extraordinary design, impeccable craftsmanship, and refined versatility. It stands as a statement to Audemars Piguet heritage and innovation, making it a highly coveted timepiece for those who value exceptional quality and iconic design.